Blue Knob State Park, as you see there's a lot of trails to ride there. It's a pretty fun place, pretty happening place. Want to take a short ride with the kids on the highlighted trail there, Rock and Ridge, known as Clickety-Clack Trail. A lot of rocks underneath you, kind of moving. You can hear them. It's a fun trail. But Dad took a wrong turn. We went down that yellow trail, got down to a picnic area, had to turn around. They didn't appreciate that little bit of a climb back up in the blue circle there, but at last we made it. We made our way around and up to the top lookout, back down, this time going across the correct trail. Have a fun family ride, starting out amongst the ferns, Chapel Trail. Josiah up there, say hi. Right at this point, the kids were excited and ready to go. It was a pretty warm day, so we wanted to make sure everybody stayed plenty hydrated. Yeah, go ahead. Here, I'm going to get over this and then you can go.
Oh my God! No.
You made it. You did good. I'm not sure if there's a little bit of area in the center threw me off, but I completely missed the correct trail and went straight down the lower trail. Yes. Not yet. Well, this is the Clickety-Clack Trail, but we're not to the stone part yet. At that point, my son just asked me, "Are you sure this is right, Dad?" And I reassure him, "Oh, yeah, it's right." Well, I should have listened to him. Yeah, straight. Right now, I'm looking around like crap. I think we messed up. Yeah, it's all right. Just do your best, buddy. We'll wait for you. Hey. Mountain View Trail. Okay.
We picked a good spot.
I need I need my trail map. Oh no, but look at that view. Yeah, we already saw them. This is where we went the wrong way and we're hiking up big ass hill. No one's finding this part very fun. Right here is where we should have come out. Instead, we went way down the mountain and back up it. Everyone's very unhappy with me right now. Back on the right path. After a few hundred extra feet of elevation gain hiking up a pretty steep hill, these guys needed a break and we're walking for a little while, and that's okay. Hand climbing. In hindsight, this particular segment of the trail might have been a little bit too technical for our riding skills. Finally, a little bit of downhill as we approach the lookout. Not only is my front brake chattering like a chipmunk, but my derailleur's been malfunctioning the entire ride too. At last, we have reached the lookout. Yeah, you should have the least problems because you got hydraulic disc. Poor Josiah rocking them V-brakes right now. Alright, yeah, take a break here. Watch the mud through here, it's slick. Yeah, little buddy. Hey, Roo.
Okay, I'm trying to practice that.
Watch out for that. Yo!
That
All right. Through the ferns.
that's what these remind me the most of.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Oh. Hopefully, I can get clipped in and get some momentum before I can even get clipped in. Whoa, watch that handle. Coming around you, go, move, move.
That's why I didn't go down.
Take a break.
I have like
Keep moving. Ooh, not clipped in. Couldn't get freaking clipped in. Oh, nice bail. I don't pay attention, buddy.
I have it switching rocks.
Loosen up your body. What?
Yeah, go down.
You all right? Landon wrecked too.
Twice.
Don't get mad at the rocks. Oh yeah. I know, because you're stopped. It sucks, doesn't it? I'm worried I'm even going to be able to get it back. Hey, wait up there. We're still clearing a feature. Yeah. Come on. Yep, get it, get it, get it. Ah, damn it. Guys, not a huge deal if you can't make a feature and you stop. That's okay. Josiah, try to get your bike off to the side so the person behind you doesn't get stopped. Yep. All right, guys. Yep, we screwed up. We might have noticed, I don't know. Ooh. Hey, stop your bike and get off. The reason you do that is you don't want to do anything that could possibly spook your horses. And they may not be used to seeing bikes. Hey. Oh, we don't know if they're used to seeing bikes. Don't want to scare them. Oh, yeah. Enjoy, fellas. Oh, yes. Yep, I forgot to downshift before I stopped. You're out of water? Uh-huh. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Look through them trees right there. What do you see? Our truck? Yes, okay. Did you make a title for it at the top? There, title your ride. Don't matter. You can name it whatever. Hey Landon, you scratched your bike already. If you enjoyed the video of our outing, hit like, feel free to comment. Also be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get the most recent videos coming out from me.